Hi guys, today we're trying seaweed crunchy sticks. So let's open this thing. Boom, I just got it out. So let me open this again. Boom, here's this. This is so crunchy. So good. The cat even, I think, would like it. I'll give this definitely a 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10. So good. Bye guys.